Hello everyone, my name is Tania Melissa Cardona Gomez and this is my activity 3 talking about COCOMO 2 model. COCOMO 2 is a mathematical model that allows estimation based on size of the software and a set of cost and scale factors. Cost factors include aspects related to the nature of the system, equipment, and characteristics of the project. Scale factors include the portion of scale produced as a software project increases in size. COCOMO 2 allows the continuous calibration of the model and thus increases the precision in the estimation, and provides a quantitative analytical framework and a set of tools and techniques that will evaluate the impact of technological improvements in software on cost and times in the different stages of the development lifecycle. The parameters of COCOMO 2 are: first one, KSLOC, size of the software to be developed. DM, percent design modified, percentage of the adapt software's design which is modified in order to adapt it to the new objectives and environment. CM, percent code modified, the percentage of this adapt software's code which is modified in order to adapt it to the new objectives and environment. IM, percent of integration required for modified software. Percent of effort required to integrate the adapt software into our overall product and to test the resulting product as compared to the normal amount of integration and test effort for software of comparable size. SU, software understanding, effort increment as percentage only used when code is modified. AA or double A, assessment and assimilation, percentage of effort required to determine whether a software model is appropriate. UNFM, unfamiliarity, the programmer's relative unfamiliarity with the software which is applied multiplicatively to the software understanding effort increment. 80. Percentage of code that undergoes a reengineering process through the use of a machine translation tool. ATPROD, productivity of the tool used in machine translation. To make estimates of a software project, COCOMO 2 uses three submodels. Application composition model, used during the early stages of software engineering, when prototyping user interfaces, considering the integration of the software and the system, assessing performance, and evaluating the technology maturity. Early stage design model, user after requirements and established and basic software architecture established. Post-architectural stage model, used during software construction. COCOMO 2 model requires sizing information. As part of the model hierarchy, three different sizing options are available: object points, function points, source code lines. Like function points, the object point is an indirect software measure that is calculated using counts of the number of screens, reports, and components that are likely required to build the application. Each option intends, for example, a screen or report, is classified into one of three levels on complexity: simple, medium, and difficult. Costs can be calculated as mathematical function based on attributes of products, projects, and processes, whose values are calculated by project managers. Considerations: the selection of the model or estimation models for software projects is the decision of the planner and the project leader, taking into account the characteristics of the project. And this is it for today. Thank you for your attention and have a nice one.